Alright, this is my Mustang GT, so 2000. Okay, it's got the 4.6 motor in it. Look, it's even written on my alternator. Okay, so it's got a 4.6 in it. Looked all over YouTube and I didn't see a way to change the serpentine belt, so I decided I was going to make a video about it. See that hole there? This is an auto tensioner, so you don't actually have to remove the tensioner or anything. It's an auto tensioner. So you see that hole right there? Right. Oh, you can't see it like that. There it is. Okay, this is a, what is this? This is a 1/2 inch ratchet. It sticks in there, and then I push down on it, and it loosens the belt. And at the same time, simultaneously, I have to take this part of the belt and lift it off of this pulley. So that's what I'm going to do now.